If you want to turn off Snapchat notifications on your any iPhone with the latest iOS, let's see the process. First, you have to open up Snapchat, go to your profile by selecting your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, choose the settings by clicking the gear icon. Scroll down and find the notifications option. From here, you can customize which notifications to turn off, like message reminder, memories, mentions, or other alerts, based on what you need. If you had rather turn off all Snapchat notifications completely, go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down, go for apps, find Snapchat, and select notifications, and switch them off by toggling the option. And that's it. You're all set. And that's how you can easily manage or turn off notifications on Snapchat. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.